as you had seen the photographs before. So we are trying to do the aquascaping. So we have three parts over here. One part includes the tree, which is our driftwood, which we prepared ourselves, and you can get it from some rivers or somewhere, the root part basically. And then this part is for the hobbits, and we'll be planting some coconut semi coconut shells, and after treatment. So we had covered this aquarium with polythene so that it becomes an airtight media, and moisture is not lost. And on this side we'll be adding some mm, waterfall. So they are basically, and this will be a separate island over here. You can see I had this part, and this area completely is for hobbits, and this is the tree which is going across. And this is the second day, and we had put some lights, and controlling a lot of moisture content is not lost. And secondly, we had put some cocoa peat in the bottom, and then we had used the soil, so that less of a soil is used here, else you would have to take a lot costlier for things for the soil. And this is the date, 9th December 2018, and plant aquascaping. So friends, that's all. We'll add more. Please continue with it. Today is day 2.